This is your aromatherapist Ronak from Los Angeles. Friends, think about a food which has 4 times more calcium than milk, has 7 times more vitamin C than orange, has 3 times more potassium than banana, and has 4 times more vitamin A than carrot. Do you know what it is? Yes, it is moringa. Today, we are going to talk about the health benefits of moringa oil and how to use it to stay healthy by using all natural moringa oil. I heard a lot about how a vegan always looks half their age. No, not for that only, but I always like simple eating, and vegan diet is perfect for that, isn't it? But no, my family always vetoed it by saying we all need enough of everything from all food groups. Finally, I have my ammunition to show my family on how to be a perfect vegan by using an oil made out of a superfood. You think I'm exaggerating? Not really. While watching this video, you can be the judge of it. So, let's get to it. Moringa oil is good for your heart health. It helps to open up the clogged arteries. Moringa oil is good for controlling diabetes. The chlorogenic acid in the moringa oil stabilizes blood sugar level. When you feel bloated, just have 1 teaspoon of moringa oil by mixing it with a pinch of Himalayan salt in it. Now, ladies who suffer from calcium or iron deficiencies, they should take a teaspoon of moringa oil on a daily basis. Many of us suffer from gum diseases, such as inflammation of gum or bleeding from the gum. Put half a teaspoon of moringa oil in a cup of warm water and gurgle with it for a few minutes, and the problem is gone. High blood pressure. Nowadays, in every family, you would find 1 or 2 people suffer from high blood pressure. Recently, it is also noticed that high blood pressure attack even at younger age. In this circumstance, before eating food, just take 1 teaspoon of moringa oil 2 times on a daily basis. However, people with diabetes should not take moringa oil in empty stomach. Many people suffer from seasonal cold or all year long the suffering continues. In this case, moringa oil works as a remedy. Make black tea with oolong or any other types of black tea and put a teaspoon of moringa in it before drinking. For healing a minor wound, apply moringa oil on the spot. This oil is good to save you from low vision. If you have low vision problem, you need to consume moringa to brighten your vision. For acidity, this oil is helpful to relieve you from acidity. This oil reduces asthma as well. Massaging with moringa oil helps to reduce arthritis. This oil is good for your liver. Moringa helps to remove metallic objects from the body. And finally, the beauty tips. For your skin and hair, this oil is unbeatable. Because of the existence of many vitamins and minerals, this oil works very well on the skin as it prevents hair fall. If you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel and visit us as well. We are located in downtown Los Angeles. See ya.